Host, hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. How to start your very own YouTube channel. If you've ever dreamed of sharing your passion, knowledge, or creativity with the world, this video is for you. I'm your name, and I've been on YouTube for mention years of experience. So let's dive right in. Section 1. Finding your niche. Host. The first step in starting a YouTube channel is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you want to create content about? It could be anything from cooking, fashion, gaming, tech reviews, travel, or even storytelling. Choose something you genuinely love, as it will keep you motivated throughout your YouTube journey. Section 2. Research and planning. Host. Before you create your first video, research what's already out there in your chosen niche. Watch successful channels, analyze their content, and identify what works and what doesn't. Take notes and plan out your content strategy, including your video ideas, target audience, and the frequency of uploads. Section 3. Setting up your channel. Host. Now, let's get practical. To start a YouTube channel, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, create it. Then, head over to YouTube and sign in. Click on your profile picture, go to Create a Channel, and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your channel name and branding. Section 4. Channel Art and About section. Host. First impressions matter. Design an eye-catching channel banner and create an appealing profile picture that represents your brand or content. In the About section, describe what your channel is all about concisely and let people know what to expect when they subscribe. Section 5. Recording equipment. Host. You don't need top-of-the-line gear to start, but investing in some essential recording equipment will improve your content's quality. A decent camera, microphone, and lighting can go a long way in making your videos look and sound more professional. Section 6. Creating compelling content. Host. Now comes the fun part, creating your videos. Pay attention to the 3 C's: content, consistency, and creativity. Your videos should offer value to your audience, stick to a regular upload schedule, and showcase your unique personality or style. Section 7. Editing and post-production. Host. Editing is where the magic happens. There are plenty of video editing software options available, from simple to more advanced on.